All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm here again. It's Boss Alice IQ. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop your comments. On my last video, I got about 1,800 views. I'm very, very happy and I appreciate you all. And there was a comment also, which were positive comments. And please don't fail to do so on this one. And I'm going to be explaining how I wash stubborn clothes. This is for boxer. As you can see, I just had to use clothes, what do they call it, soap. For example, you have a stubborn boxer. Most of the times for guys, depending on how long you wear your clothes, over here, that's the back side of it. It's always kind of dark, so you can take soap and use it to rub it, like rub that place very well before you put it inside the washing machine, in order for the soap to effectively dissolve the germs or the stain in that particular place, so that it can be easily removed. Then for trousers, though this is my a jogger, and I currently do not have dirty clothes, so I'm just kind of trying to let you guys know that is why I'm doing this. So this joggers is not dirty, but I'm using it as an example. If you see this place, I also put in the soap, also the same place with this here. The reason is because most of the times, like if you have a car, for example, when I go to the mechanical shop and I'm looking at them, because I like staying with them and noticing everything and maybe probably correcting them in some issues, so my hand gets dirty or whatever it may be. So when you are putting your hand into your clothes, it might not even be mechanic workshop, it might be any other activities, probably in your work or shop. You get dirty over here because it's where you put in your key, your car, your cash, and your card. Sorry. So the same thing with the down part of it, where is the part that is close to the ground, which is your ankle area. So as you can see, I also have to use the solid soap to scrub it very well, like put it enough. Then there is another part here. It said gentle wash. As you can see, gentle wash, and here it says standard wash. Then this part is to drain out the water, while this standard wash is to wash normally, like wash hard in terms of all this stuff I'm explaining. It will definitely give you the best wash. While this gentle wash is for boxer, pant, bra, those kind of even baby wears that is not really dirty. They don't absorb much stain, but you just have to wash gently in order for the machine not to over squeeze it. There are some material that are not that strong, so that's what you use gentle wash for. So right now I'm going to be washing it like this, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how you can also use this part of the machine to drain, like rinse, instead of using this rinsing part. Instead of using this rinsing part, you can also use here to rinse after you finish washing. Then on the last video, I was talking about how I was saying that I would teach you guys how to take off these parts and clean it. So this is what you do. You just pin this part and you pull out. As you can see, it's way more easy. You just pull it. The same thing if you are putting it on. If you look at the under, you put it at this hole here, you can see, and you click. It's very easy. It's low. So if you want to bring out, just put your two fingers here. There is a space here, the same thing here. So just hold it, pull it together, and you bring it out. It's so easy. So now bringing it over here, if you want to bring out the dirt inside, as you can see, it's like this. Then you just have to flip it over. Just flip it over. You understand? So when you flip it over, you see the dirt is already out, as you can see. So all you have to do is either use your hand to bring it out one by one like this. As you can see, it's already out, or you just shake. So I don't want to shake now to avoid spreading all over the place, so I'm using my hand. You can see it's way very easy. As you can see, this is the dirt, and these dirt are traps from wool of clothes or material. So they are trapped in this filter inside the machine. So when you're done with that, you just flip back in. So right now I want to rinse, okay, to be sure that everything is out. As you can see, inside the water there's no dirt. So I'll flip back in. So when you flip back in, just put it back the way it is, nicely done. So just wait, let me finish up with the machine, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so I just washed it once, which is about 15 minutes. So right now I want to bring it out so that you can see how clean it is. As you can see, this is the place that was dirty just now. I purposely had to put oil and put in the soap, and this wasn't done today. I put in the oil for about 3 days back, and I allow it to dry on the boxer, and I now have to apply the solid soap so as to know if this strategy will work. And so far so good, it has worked fine. So right now I'm going to bring out this clothes and put it here. I said I want to teach you guys how to drain with this same washing part. So it's still a project. Like, I'm just trying this principle if it will work, which I know it will definitely work. But in this aspect, before, you have to take it from here and put it in this dryer, and you dry itself. On my previous video I explained that, but right now I'm going to do it manually from here. Bring out the clothes and drain out the water and put in a fresh water. And those clothes that have been brought out, I actually have to squeeze a little so as to remove some water from it, which is the washing water, and put it in back. So let me do that. And all right, as you can see, I've replaced the water. The water I used to wash it have been drained out, so I put in fresh water as if you want to start washing. This is the difference with that. You don't have to put detergent. Now after washing with the machine, you just put in drain out the soap water and put in fresh water. Don't put detergent, then you twitch on. So in this aspect, it will look as if you are washing but without detergent. So in that way, the clean water will be rinsing the clothes. As it's spinning out, it's rinsing the clothes, and you won't have any bad odor when it did not finish drying. Like, if it did not dry well, you won't have any bad odor. Then after rinsing here, you can now put it here directly and dry to extract the water out directly from here to here. In that aspect, you won't be using the water to this direction again. You just have to do it like this, and shave, you understand? So with this method, it will not only make your clothes dry faster while using the drying machine, it also makes it more like you waste more time. As you can see, all I have to do is just allow it to that sound. Ooh, because when I started it just now, there is a sound it will make when when there are still water inside those clothes. But when the water is almost fully dried, the sound will change. You almost not hear anything. So now I've transferred the clothes from here to here. All I have to do is just put it probably 1 minute or 2 minutes depending, but I know the sound. So as it has finished drying up, I just switch it off and take off the clothes and do the same thing to this other side. So it's way easy, and to avoid wasting much water, so you use one water or two depending on how many times you want to rinse it here. It's your choice. But this aspect, it eliminates that odor of soap in those clothes. As you can see, there is no noise now. It means the clothes are fully dried. Let me turn it off and bring it out. So that odor and smell of soap in your clothes when you probably did not get a good sun to dry it, this aspect will eliminate it fully. As you can see, it's fully dried, very very dried. So it's for you to just maybe apply it, sun it anywhere before 1 hour or 2 hours, you're done. Thank you for watching.